You've probably noticed it. Thousands of AI authors flooding KDP, uploading junk books and thinking it's easy money. But here's the truth. 99% of them won't last another year. Most people jumped into AI publishing thinking it was a shortcut. Just type some prompts, upload some files, and make passive income, right? But what they don't understand is that readers are smarter. Not only that, Amazon's algorithm is smarter and the bar is much higher now. Amazon's already filtering out low quality content and demoting spammy uploads. The platform wants real creators. People who treat their books like brands, not quick pump and dumps. The winners are using AI strategically for outlining, researching, polishing, and designing like professionals. If you want to survive, you have to shift from quantity to quality. Focus on storytelling, cover design, and most importantly, the reader's experience. Because the people who adapt now will dominate once everyone else gives up. Check out my course down below if you want to get into this game. So yes, 99% will quit, but the 1% who evolve, they'll own 99% of the money. So be that 1%. Thank you for watching. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.